So welcome back everyone. It is another beautiful day here in Pennsylvania. Today's video is going to be a little bit different than what you're used to seeing on our channel. As many of you know, I am preparing to go on an elk hunt to Colorado, specifically Southwest Colorado. Now, if you're looking for a video from a seasoned veteran that has done this numerous times, you're in the wrong place, because this is my first trip out west to go hunting. Now, Melissa and I, we've been out there, I don't know, a lot of different times, to Idaho, Montana, Wyoming, Utah, Colorado. We love the West, but as I said, this will be my first trip hunting out there, and this is a whole different world than what I'm used to. I've hunted my entire life since I was 12 years old, mostly here in Pennsylvania, some in West Virginia, but mostly here on our own property. So to go deer hunting here, for example, it's actually pretty easy. I grab some stuff, head out in the woods, climb up in a tree stand or maybe out to the mini cabin, and that's a whole lot different than what I'm about to do. We're going to drive across the country, so everything that I'm going to need, I need to take with me and be as prepared as possible. So to do so, you know, I first off talked to neighbor Cliff. He's been out there a bunch of times. He's a wealth of knowledge on the subject. Also talked to the guide where we're going. It's a guided hunt, and talked to some friends who have been out there. So with that being said, I think I'm pretty well prepared, and I just want to do a quick little video on some of the gear that I'm taking. If there's anything that I'm missing, please let me know in the comments. We're not going to go over all the clothing involved, just some of the gear that I'm going to be taking, what gun, ammo, all that kind of stuff. All right, I have a few things more to add to this case here, like I've got a headlamp or two I'll throw in here. First up, I got a couple of these cartridge holders. I'm not even sure if I'm going to use this. The buddy that I'm going with, I know he needs one, so I got two of them. May or may not use these on the stock of the rifle. I've got my Leupold binoculars here. These are pretty nice. At some point, they got a little bit close to the Big Buddy heater in the mini cabin, but they still function really well. I like these binoculars a lot. Then next up, let's see, I've got my little Leatherman tool right here. Pelican rechargeable flashlight. This is the 7600. This is a fantastic little flashlight right here. I'm taking these knives. I got several knives. Knives of Alaska. This was actually a gift years ago. It's a combo unit. Really nice knife set right here. Really like this. I've got a Vortex rangefinder. I like Vortex stuff. I do. It's a little more reasonable than some of the other brands, but this is a 1,000-yard rangefinder. I've been using it a bunch this past summer. Works fantastic. Got some AA, AAA batteries. There's a few things I have that are battery powered, like my headlamps. One of these silicone cloths. Earplugs, because we will definitely be shooting before we go hunting. We'll be shooting at the ranch we're going to, make sure our guns are sighted in. And then as far as ammo, believe it or not, this Federal is the least expensive that I bought, and my rifle shoots this the best. This is what I'll be using, 180 grain. I also have some 168s as well, but this is what I'll be using, 180 grain. And then I also have just some miscellaneous tools, a little socket set in here, some Allen wrenches. I have a whole tool set in the back of the truck for that kind of stuff. Here's another knife I'm just taking along. Nice Benchmade right here. I don't use this very often. It's a very nice knife. My daily carry is a little Kershaw that Old Man Fred sent us. But that's everything I got in this box right here. Like I said, I think all I need to add in this is my headlamps, a few other little odds and ends, and I definitely don't want to forget this at home. Now, here is the rifle I'm going to be using. This is a Browning X-Bolt, chambered in .300 Winchester Magnum. It's got the muzzle brake on it, which is just absolutely fantastic. I never had, you know, a big caliber hunting rifle with a muzzle brake. I've got an old 300 Win Mag, the Ruger 77, no muzzle brake. That thing kicks like a mule. This thing, recoil, I'm not sure. It's probably about the same as like my 308. It is very, very manageable recoil. Love that muzzle brake. Also have another Vortex product here, a 6x16 scope on it. Like I said, 300 Win Mag, Browning X-Bolt. Now, over the last couple months, I've shot this rifle quite a bit, using different types of ammunition, different distances. I feel pretty confident up to about 300 yards. Beyond that, I'm going to have to make sure I have a very solid base to shoot off of. But yeah, up to about 300 yards, I think I'm good. Now, this tripod here, I just recently purchased, and I absolutely love it. This came highly recommended from several of my friends that have them. It's called the BogPod Death Grip. Now, this one's in aluminum. You can also get it in carbon fiber, which I'm guessing would be a little bit lighter than this one. This cost $130 on Amazon, which really isn't too bad considering what I've spent on tripods for my cameras for the channel. This is very well built. As you can see, there's got these buttons on here. There's 3 different settings, I think. Right now it's on 20 degrees, and all you got to do is push this button in. You know, you can go to 85 degrees, 45, or 20, and those legs will come right out. Plus, they're adjustable up and down. All you do is set your rifle in here, screw this in real quick. It's nice and tight. It's a very, very steady platform. I really, really like this. BogPod Death Grip. So that was just kind of a quick look at some of the gear that I'm taking along. If you can think of anything that's an absolute must, please let me know in the comments. And if I can find links for some of that stuff, like the BogPod, maybe the rangefinder, a few of the other things, I'll put them in the description. But yeah, I'm pretty excited. Like I said, this is my first time going out there. We're just going to see how it goes, but I'm sure it'll be a good trip, even if I don't get anything, because I just love going out west. But anyway, like I always say, if you enjoy these videos, please hit the like button, click subscribe, and share them with your friends. Thanks.